Here follows a simple protocol to demonstrate how you can split cells from one host Petaka to 3 ready-to-host Petakas. Note that if the bag remains sealed, we can guarantee the sterile integrity of Petaka. We prepare the ready-to-host Petakas, injecting media and serum, leaving 2 ml free in each Petaka for the cells. You may add antibiotic if desired. Taking the Petakas one by one, we inject slowly, simultaneously squeezing the Petaka with the left hand to prevent the Petaka from dilating and to help expel the displaced air via the air filter, remembering to leave space for the cells. At the end, if you wish to immediately remove excess air pressure inside without squeezing Petaka, you can simply invert the Petaka to locate the air bubble at the gate corner and extract the desired amount of air. Once you have your 3 ready-to-host Petakas awaiting cells, you may now place them in the refrigerator to see them later, or you may introduce the cells immediately, as we will now. Now turning to the host Petaka with the cells, we need to sterilize the port as the Petaka has come from the incubator. We clean thoroughly with a Q-tip and 90% alcohol. To dry the port immediately, you may burn off the remaining alcohol with a flame, otherwise leave it to stand for 30 seconds. Withdrawing all of the media from the host Petaka, make sure we do this slowly and steadily, preventing the walls of the Petaka to touch and damaging cells. Then using a pipette with a 5 ml tip, you can introduce 3 ml of trypsin to the Petaka. Then invert the Petaka so that there is air at the gate corner and withdraw 3 ml of air to bring the walls slightly closer together in order to ensure all surfaces will be wet. Gently rock from side to side to wet all internal surfaces of the Petaka with the trypsin. The Petaka is then placed into the incubator for 3 minutes. Check detachment of the cells under a microscope and return to the laminar flow hood. Give a few sharp taps to ensure all cells are detached and clumps are broken up to make passage easier. Ensure you sterilize the port with alcohol again prior to introducing 3 ml of serum with a pipette to inactivate the trypsin as quickly as possible in order to avoid cell stress and damage. Wet all surfaces of the inside of Petaka to ensure the maximum number of cells have been collected and that all the trypsin is inactivated. Inside the donor Petaka, we now have 6 ml of supernatant consisting of cells, serum, and inactivated trypsin. Withdraw 2 ml of the contents from the donor Petaka and introduce into the first ready-to-host Petaka. Again, you may remove any excess air bubble as previously shown. Then simply invert once or twice to ensure the cells are evenly dispersed. Repeat the process for the remaining 2 ready-to-host Petakas. For culturing both sides, incubate for 15 minutes on one side in a horizontal position, then flip over for 30 minutes on the second side, after which you may incubate in a vertical position.